Today we're going to be learning about animals, and I am Miss Burk.
And I'm Miss Stearns. Okay, our first activity, we're going to match up the name of the animal with the picture. So who would like to volunteer? That.
Everyone's go-to.
You just drag the words to whatever it matches. Thank you. Good job. Okay, who else wants to go? Thank you. What's that a picture of?
A dolphin.
Good job. Okay, who else? Okay, what is that?
Starfish.
Good job. Okay, who wants to do the last one? Ashley? What is that? Good job. Okay.
Alright, and on this one, we have desert animals. So we're going to have volunteers come up and circle the correct animals that live in the desert. Who wants to do it? Courtney?
You can pick any color. Good job. Do you know what that is? Yeah, it's a snake. Good job. Okay, who wants to do another one? Good job. What's that?
Camel.
Okay, there's one more. Who wants to do the last one? Okay, Faith? Good job. Do you know what that is? Good job. Okay. So this one, what one's this? Okay, what is that? A pig. Okay, where would you find the pig? Okay, what's this?
A dog.
Okay.
And what about this one? Cow.
Okay. Where would you find the cow?
On the farm.
Alright, now there's a sound right here that we're gonna play, and we're gonna guess what animal it is together. Okay, who could guess what animal that is?
A lion.
Okay, no. But if it kind of sounds like a lion, this one's a lion. Okay, if this one sounds like a lion, what do you think it could be?
Tiger.
A tiger. Good job. Okay, them. An elephant.
One more.
It's gonna be in the safari. A hippopotamus. Oh, I'm sorry.
And we have
Animal song.
The dog goes woof, 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 woof. The cow goes moo, 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 moo. The duck goes quack, 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 quack. And the owl says toot, toot. The cat goes meow, meow, meow.
You can see
The
a lot
bird
of it if
goes
you
tweet,
want.
tweet, tweet, tweet. The pig goes oink, 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 oink. And the little mouse says squeak, 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 squeak.
Okay. There are a lot more animal sounds.
These are the sounds that the animals make. These are the sounds.
Okay. Now we're gonna sort between what are big and small animals. And even though the picture's the same size, you gotta do what it is in real life. So who would like to come?
Am I just doing one?
Yep, you pick whatever one you want.
Tell us what animal it is.
Yeah.
Good job. Thanks to do another one. Okay, come on, RC.
A butterfly.
Good job. Who else? Erica? You come up. Drag whatever animal you want. Either the small or the big. Good job. What is that? Yeah? Okay, who else would like? There's 2 more. You can do the last, or 3 more. Do the last 3.
You want to do all 3?
Yeah. If you need help, you can ask.
Oh, okay. A gorilla,
Yeah.
deer,
Mhm.
and a cardinal.
Very good job. Sit.
Yeah.